Let's take a look at the parts of a wood turning lathe. First, we have the headstock located to the left of this model. The motor delivers power through the headstock and to the drive centre, which in turn grips the piece and allows it to rotate at the speed of the motor. The power switch is also located here. The tailstock holds the live centre, which rotates freely on a bearing. When the hand wheel is turned, it increases the length of a shaft that passes through the tailstock and allows the piece to be gripped and secured in place while spindle turning. The tailstock can be moved along the length of the bed to match the length of the piece being turned. The banjo can be moved along the bed of the lathe and holds the tool rest in place. Both of these must be adjusted when the lathe is off. It is important to make sure that both locking handles are tightened securely before turning on the lathe. All tools and chisels should be stored neatly. This is an example of a freestanding wood turning lathe in a classroom. Note the headstock, motor and 4-prong drive centre. The banjo and tool rest are both secured to the lathe bed using locking handles. This is the tailstock with live centre, locking handle and hand wheel. This is a variable speed lathe, meaning that we can change its speed electronically using a dial shown here. Note also the red mushroom stop button for quickly stopping the lathe. The personal protective equipment needed when operating a wood turning lathe is a face shield. Note the extra protection along the jawline and chin. A dust mask is also used when sanding a piece.